This is building security. You are under live surveillance. Leave the area immediately. You in the black hoodie. This is building security. You are under surveillance. Leave the area immediately. Law enforcement has been contacted and dispatched to your location. This is building security. This area closes at 10 p.m. Please leave the area now. Security issues are a major concern in the multifamily industry. Traditional measures like physical guarding, courtesy patrols, and CCTV are expensive and produce very little results. Overwatch offers a proactive crime prevention solution utilizing the latest technology, including AI to detect motion and tripwires, to instantly stream footage to our monitoring team. Then, a highly trained agent then assesses and identifies the real threat. They promptly address suspicious behavior by utilizing two-way talk-down, LED lights, and a siren, removing trespassers and loiterers. If needed, security guards and/or law enforcement can be dispatched. Overwatch live agents stand guard to protect your property. Get the peace of mind you deserve with Overwatch.